Hello guys, welcome to Coding with Kids. So today I'm gonna be teaching you how to code in Python. So let's get started. First of all, what is Python? Python is a high-level general-purpose programming language which has demand in these days. So Python is very simple with simple syntax and very easy to learn. So let's jump right into it. Okay, first you should have Python installed on your computer. So I'll give the download link. So let's download it. So I'll give the download link in the description, or you can just go to your web browser and type www.python.org/downloads, which directs you to this web page where you can download Python. So you can download the latest version of Python, that is Python 3.8.5. So there are two versions of Python. One is the 2.7 version and the other one is the 3.8.5. In this video I'm gonna be downloading the Python 3.8.5. So let's get download it. So it downloads my file. When the download is completed, I'm gonna double click on the file, which opens this. I'm gonna select install now. Wait a minute, I'm gonna select customize installation. I'm gonna deselect this and next. Once you selected your path, and you can install now. So it installs my Python. So for coding in Python, you can use different programs like Notepad and text editor, but there are special programs called IDE. IDE refers to integrated development environment, which are special programs for executing and coding Python files. So now the IDE we're gonna be downloading is PyCharm, which is the popular and my favorite IDE. So to download PyCharm, I'll give the link in the description, or you can just go to this website called www.jetbrains.com/PyCharm, which directs you to this web page where you can download PyCharm. So when Python is successfully installed on your computer, you're good to go. Then you can install this PyCharm on your computer. So my PyCharm was successfully installed, so I am closing this window. So PyCharm, I'm just gonna click on download, which directs you to this web page. So there are two versions of PyCharm, which we are gonna be downloading the community version. There is also another PyCharm, that is the professional version, which is paid. So we're gonna be downloading the community version. So I'm gonna click download. So it gives my download link and it starts downloading this. So when your PyCharm file gets downloaded, I'm gonna close those tabs and open your PyCharm Community Edition desktop app. So I'm gonna open it, PyCharm. So I'm gonna open that. When you first open PyCharm, it directs you to this window. So we have to wait to open this. And we just open PyCharm. So now it's loading our components where we can code in Python. So after loaded, so I'm gonna go to file, new project. So it shows you this. So I'm gonna click create in this window, saving project. So it loads your PyCharm file. where you can code in Python. So when it opens, it looks like this. So here we're gonna go to file, new and Python file. I can just give my name as first code. So enter. So this is the area we're gonna type our code. So we're ready to code in Python. So coding in Python, we have some syntaxes and functions. Today I'm gonna be teaching you a basic function in Python, that is the print function. The print function is like saying or commanding the Python to print something. So like for example, like asking the Python, hey Python, print hello world. So it prints hello world and gives the result to you. So to use this function, we're gonna just use a type print and use parentheses. We should always use parentheses after any function we write in Python. So inside parentheses, we should always use quotation, double quotes or single quotes, and write our code. So I'm gonna just type hello world. So to run this program, I'm gonna go to run and just click on this run. So it asks you to select your Python file. So I'm gonna select my first code. So it gives me this hello world. So you can type anything in this. So to write this function, you can just use the print function plus parentheses. Inside the parentheses, you should always use the quotes, double quotes or single quotes, and then write your code inside that. So thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like and share this video. Thanks for watching.